How to delete last item in list. I have this program that calculates the time taken to answer a specific question, and quits out of the while loop when answer is incorrect, but I want to delete the last calculation, so I can call minute, and it not be the wrong time. Sorry if this is confusing.
You need before the for loop. This will set record to the current record list but without the last item. You may, depending on your needs, want to ensure the list isn't empty before doing this.
If I understood the question correctly, you can use the slicing notation to keep everything except the last item. But a better way is to delete the item directly. Note 1. Note that using record equals record, column -1, does not really remove the last element, but assign the sublist to record. This makes a difference if you run it inside a function and record is a parameter. With record equals record, column -1, the original list, outside the function, is unchanged. With del record, -1, or record.pop, the list is changed. As stated by @pltrdy in the comments. Note 2. The code could use some Python idioms. I highly recommend reading this code like a Pythonista, idiomatic Python, via Wayback Machine Archive.
You should use this. The problem with is that it makes a copy of the list every time you remove an item, so isn't very efficient.
List.pop removes and returns the last element of the list.
You want to avoid that, you can do looking at subscribing.